Good morning, children. Good morning once again. Welcome back. So last period we discussed our similarity criterion and some examples for similarity triangles also. Okay. If two triangles are given, we can check whether they are similar or not by using the criterions, the similarity criterions. We have two more examples. After that, we will move to the next set of questions. So children, take question number 5, page 139. Question number 5, those two questions also we will check. Question number 5. Question number 5. We have two triangles. 5 we did, I think so. 5 we did. So only one more.
5 we did. 5 we did.
Sixth. Try
Sixth.
Try it.
Okay.
What about that sixth one?
Only fifth one we do. Sixth one we do.
Fifth one we did. Sixth we are doing now. Sixth we are doing now. Okay, Gautam, say, are they similar? Gautam. D, E, F. D, E, F. And P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Given D 70, E 80, and Q 80, and R 30. Children, are they similar?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? How can we say they are similar? What's the reason?
Similar.
A similarity. We can find angle E equal to angle Q equal to 80. Then what next? What next?
Find angle F.
Yes, we can find angle F. Angle F will be 180 minus 80 plus 70. That is equal to 180 minus 150, 30 degree. Angle F also 30 degree. By finding angle F, we can take angle F equal to angle R equal to 30 degree. Okay, so two angles are equal. Corresponding two angles, angle E equal to angle Q, angle F equal to angle R. Actually, angle F is not given, but by using similarity criterion, we can find angle F also equal to 30. So by A similarity criterion, triangle, which of the triangles are similar? How can we write triangle? Triangle DEF similar to triangle DEF similar to corresponding to D we have, which will be that
PQR.
P also will be 70 using 180 minus 80 plus 30. P angle P will be 180 minus 80 plus 30, that also 70. All the angles are equal. Okay, so angle P Q R. Triangle DEF similar to triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So this is about how can we check the similarity of two triangles. Okay. Now next set of questions. Question number 2 is homework. Simple question that you can do. Question number 2, homework. Question number 2 is homework. We will begin with the question number 3. All of you write the question. Write. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC.
Ma'am, first one homework only.
Not first one, second one. First we did.
Yes, ma'am. Second one.
Second homework. That is simple question. You can do that. Now
Third
we will
one
do
we need to write.
third one. Write the question. Third one. Write the question. Write the question and draw this figure. We have a rhombus. So draw a rhombus. Diagonals AC and BD of a, not rhombus, trapezium. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD. These two AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. The trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Draw the figure. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to. Children, did you copy the question? Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you listen to the board. See, this question we have already proved using which one? AO by OA by OC equal to OB by OD. We have already proved OA by OB equal to OC by OD. That we have already proved. Using what? Do you remember? The same question we have already done using BPT. Yes,
BPT.
using BPT we have already proved this question. So here again we need to using similarity of triangle. We have to prove OA by OC. To prove is OA by OC equal to OB by OD. OB by OD. Okay, this is our question. So first of all, we have AB parallel to DC. It is a trapezium with the AB parallel to DC. Now consider the triangles OAB and OCD. Consider OAB, triangle OAB and triangle OCD, these two triangles. And what about these angle A and angle C? They are the angle A and angle C are the AB, DC are parallel. So angle A, these two angles are Gauri are alternate interior angles and they are equal. They are equal. So we can write angle OAB equal to angle OCD. Write the reason in bracket. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Anandu, What about B and D? Anandu? Anandu? What about angle B and angle D? Which type of angle they are? Are they equal? Unmute and say, Anandu. Are they equal? Anandu, are they equal?
Can you say one more time? Angle.
Angle this one. I have marked angle B and angle D. These two angles. Are they
Okay.
equal or not?
Equal.
Equal. Why? What's the reason? What was the reason? Eva, what was the reason for that angle B and angle D?
Ma'am, opposite angle.
Not opposite angles. Alternate. They are also alternate interior angles. Alternate, same way. Angle A equal to angle C. The same reason. Angle OBA equal to angle ODC. Same reason, right? Alternate interior angles. So we can say triangle OAB and triangle OCD are two corresponding two angles are equal. So by this, what can we say? What can we say from these two? This one triangle, this another triangle. A equal to C, B equal to D. Triangles are
Similar.
similar. Triangle OAB similar to triangle OCD. Write the reason, write the criterion. What was the criteria?
A similarity.
AA similarity criteria. AA similarity. AA similarity criteria. Now, since they are similar triangles, sides are proportional. Okay, so we can write OA by OC. Therefore, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. These two triangles are similar, so their sides are proportional. OA by OC and OB by OD. OB by OD. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Okay. Now write question number 4. Please repeatedly ask board question it is.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, I missed some because mobile. I was using mobile data. That the
Okay,
net was not there.
We are doing the next problem. Write
No, ma'am.
question number 4. Write
Okay.
question number 4.
Ma'am, I was taking that the sixth one. No, then I was using mobile data and net was not there. The mobile
Okay.
data.
Okay.
I have to see recorder class.
Okay. Only one question you missed. Only one question. You can copy that. Okay.
This can I show this? I was right. Ma'am, this which question ma'am now take
Third one.
diagonal AC and that second one I missed this second one. Third one second one I missed. Can you explain this once more?
Okay. See here we have two triangles OAB and OCD. Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
AB and DC are parallel lines since it is a trapezium. So angle A and angle C are alternate interior angle, they are equal. And angle B and angle D are also alternate interior angles and they are equal. So two sets of angles are equal. Hence, those two triangles are similar. If they are similar, we can write, oh, sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Okay. Right. Sixth one. No, fourth one. Sorry, fourth one. Fourth question. In figure, QR by QS equal to QT by PR. In figure, QR by QS equal to QT by PR. Draw that figure also. 6.36. So, repeatedly asking question it is. Draw that figure. Q, T, R. Q, T, R. P, S, P, S, and P, R. P, S, and P, R. P, S, and P, R. And this is angle 1. Don't confuse with the angles. Draw neat figure, then only you can understand. This is angle 2. Only this. Angle 2. We have to prove triangle PQS. To prove triangle PQS, to prove triangle PQS similar to TQR, similar to TQR. Triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. PQS, all of you see the figure. PQS. In your figure, you just move your finger through that triangle. PQS similar to TQR. All of you understood the question? Move your fingers through both the triangles. PQS. PQS similar to TQR. All of you think, can we bring any similarity criteria? Any angles or any sides are proportional? Can you give any idea? Children, all of you think. Without thinking, you can't do anything with this chapter.
What sides?
Sides are not given. Any idea? Anything?
Angle,
Can you get
angle,
it? Which of the angle? Which angle?
to angle 1, angle Q and angle R. Angle R. Angle
S is.
Which one?
angle S.
S is.
Angle no. Angle.
Which angle? Which angle? Which angle?
Angle R and
Angle R and
angle Q.
angle R and angle Q, are they equal? What is given in the question? They are given angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. It is given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. It is
Yes,
given.
ma'am.
In the question, it is given. Then
Yes, ma'am.
we have PQS. PQS and the whole angle TQR. TQR. How? Think all the possible way. All of you think all the possible way.
SAS. Can you?
SAS we will decide later which
Right.
criteria. First of all, you say which, if it is SAS, which sides are proportional there? Which of the sides are proportional?
QR and QS are in proportional.
QR,
QR and QS.
Q.
QR,
QR and Q
QR
and QR
and
and
QS. How can we say they are proportional? Their measurement is not given. So how can you say, Srihari, they are proportional? QR by QS equal to what? QR is angle of side of the TQR, and QS
it is
is the
parallel.
side of. No, it's not given. You read the question. Is it given? They are parallel? No.
QR and QS. That is.
QR and QS are proportional. How can you say? Srihari?
And angle 1 equal to.
Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Are they the angles of this triangle? Let me check. PQS. PQS. Angle 1 is there.
Angle
Both
1.
triangle have one equal angle Q. Angle Q.
Which I don't understand. What did you say?
And both the triangle have same Q
And
as
both the
angle.
triangle have
Same.
both.
Wait. PQS. 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 This angle is there. Angle Q. TQR. TQR. The same angle Q. So that is a reason. That is correct. So we can say they are angle Q, angle PQS. PQS equal to angle TQR because common angle. Then one angle, okay. Then then what can we do? Also we have given condition QR by QS. QR by this is a given condition. QR by QS equal to QT by P. QT by PR. Can we do anything with this? And two angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. For getting some criteria, we need QS by QR. QS by QR equal to PQ or QT. PQ by TQ will be equal. But we have QR by QS equal to QT by PR only. See, in this question, I will explain 1 second. See, if it is PQ by TQ equal to QS by QR equal to PS by PR. If it's so, we can say they are similar. But given is QR by QS, QR by QS, and QT by, actually it will be PQP. QT by, if it is QP, okay. But it is only PR. So PR we don't want. See, here we don't have this PR. We have to remove that PR. How? PR we don't want. If it is PQ, we are okay. In the given condition, this is given. QR by QS equal to QT by PR. to prove these two triangles, we need these three ratios are equal. Or we can use SAS. We have some angles are equal. But we need either QR by QS equal to TR by PS. But PR we don't want. So how can we remove that PR?
Ma'am, isn't PS parallel to TR?
No, it's not given. PS is not parallel. You have some symbol point is there. Think. Can we replace PR? Can we replace PR by
Yes.
some other sign? Yes.
We can replace the PQ.
How? Why? Why?
And it's equal.
Yes, Minha, say. Yes, you're correct. Why? We can replace PR by PQ. Why?
An
How?
opposite
Opposite?
opposite side.
Alternates.
Opposite sides of
PQR. Is
opposite sides of what? Opposite sides of PQR. It's a triangle. Opposite
Triangle.
sides.
Triangle.
equal.
Equal angles, opposite sides of equal angles. See, PQR, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So
That's
the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So instead of this PR, we can replace PQ in this ratio. So you can write QR by QS equal to QT by PQ. You can write QT by PQ. QT by PQ. Okay. So for getting similarity for these two triangles, actually we need three ratios. Which are they? PQ by TQ equal to QS by QR equal to PS by TR. These three we need. So here we have QR by QS equal to QT by PQ, reciprocal of these two. QR by QS, but actually we need QS by QR. QT by PQ. So you can take the reciprocal, just take reciprocal. Here you can write PR equal to PQ. Write the reason, because angle 1 equal to angle 2. PR and write reason in your words. PR and PQ are the sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles. Okay. So now taking reciprocal. We have QS by QR equal to PQ by QT. PQ by QT. So QS and PQ. QS by QR equal to QT by QS by QR. QS by QR and QS and PQ. QS and PQ. The common angle is angle 1. See, it is including angle. For QS and PQ, all of you look at your, either in your note or in the board. QS and PQ. QS and PQ in this triangle PQS. So angle 1 is the including angle. Okay. Angle 1 is including angle, and for then for QT and PQ, QT That no. What it is? Okay. QS and PQ we did. QR and QT. QR and QT. QR and QT, same angle one. It is including angle. So by SAS congruence rule, we can say triangle. Therefore, triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria. Okay. Okay, children, I will explain once again. I will explain. Here we have to prove PQS. PQS, TQR. TQR are similar. For that, angle 1 equal to angle 2 is given. Also, we have a given ratio. QR by QS and QT by. First of all, you do one thing. For becoming two triangles be similar, what are the ratios we need? We need PQ, but from this, we need to prove PQS similar to TQR. So, PQ by TQ, QS by QR, PS by TR. That we need. Okay. And given is QR by QS is there. QR by QS. But and PQ by TQ. TQ we have, but PQ we don't want. So we have to remove that PQ. How can we remove? No, PR we don't want. This is the given QT by PR, but we have PQ by QT. We don't want PR. We want PQ. So think how can we change PR? And here we have in this triangle PQR, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So instead of this PR, we can substitute PQ or QP. So in the given ratio, I substituted instead of PR, I put PQ. Okay. So then I took the reciprocal. After taking reciprocal, we can say QS by PQ. Q is including angle. Here also QR, QT. Q is the including angle. So by SAS congruence rule, those two triangles are similar. PQS similar to TQR. Today itself, write and try to get by your own words and try to get your own ideas. Okay. Today itself, you try at home. And if you are feeling any difficulty, you send a message or we will explain it the next class. All the questions of this exercise are of the same type. You have to think more. Okay. Can I move to the next one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 5. Write question number 5. If we take your attendance 10B. Aaron. Aaron. Aaron, no. Agna. Alicia. Anuj, Angelo,
Present, ma'am.
Ashna, Godwin, Lena, Chris Joe, Delvin,
Present, ma'am.
Elna Rose, Isha, Eva, Shifana, Krishna,
Ma'am, Fiza, I'm present.
okay, Maria,
Ma'am.
Meghna, Nihal, Nasil,
Present, ma'am.
Nabil, Navaneet,
Present, ma'am.
Nasrin, Noble, Rachel George, Rachel Boben,
Present,
Raya, are you okay, Raya, now? Feeling good? Okay. Rohan,
Present, ma'am.
Roland, Roshan, Shweta, Vishnu. So absentees are Aaron, absent, Agna, absent. Agna present? No. Alicia? No. Absentees are Aaron, Agna, Alicia, Anuj, Ashna, Godwin, Lena.
Ma'am, Lena is present.
Lena present. Chris Joe absent. Elna Rose absent. Shifana absent. Then Krishna absent. Maria absent.
No, ma'am.
Present. Maria present. Okay. And Magna absent. And Nabil absent. Nasrin absent. Noble, Rachel George, Roland, Roshan, and Vishnu. These are absent. Now, 10C, Abin,
Present, ma'am.
Alham,
Present, ma'am.
Alna Rose, Ananta Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Anjali, Anthony,
Present, ma'am.
Arun, Ashik, Adulya,
Present, ma'am.
Bastin,
Present, ma'am.
Devasena, Dominic,
Present, ma'am.
Elsa,
Present, ma'am.
Emrin,
Present, ma'am.
Fahad, Gauri,
Present, ma'am.
Fahad absent, no? Gautam,
Ma'am, he is present. His mic has problem.
okay. Jerlin, Jaslin,
Present, ma'am.
Justin, Karthik,
Ma'am.
Kshetra,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nanda, Melita,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi present, Lakshmi, Minha, Revu, Said,
Present, ma'am.
Sania,
Present, ma'am.
Shania, Sean,
Present, ma'am.
Koval,
Present, ma'am.
Sriram,
Present, ma'am.
Srihari, Swati. So absentees
Present, ma'am.
are Alham, Alna, Anthony,
Ma'am, Ahlam is present, ma'am.
Ahlam.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahlam present. Anthony, Arun, Ashik, Devasena, Fahad, Jerlin, Justin are absent. Okay. Next question also we will do. Children, did you copy it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is we have a triangle PQR. PQ. Draw the figure.
Okay, ma'am.
PQR. Draw the figure. PQR. 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 And PT and S. PT and S. T, S. This angle and this angle are equal. We have to prove angle P equal to angle RTS. Okay. Angle P equal to angle RTS. These two angles. Then we have to prove RPQ and RTS. RPQ. To prove triangle RPQ, which is RQ, RPQ. Okay, the total similar to RTS. RTS is this one. Okay, all of you try. How can we prove RPQ, the total triangle similar to the small triangle? All of you try. How can we prove? Better you move your finger through the required triangles. Then you will get some idea. RPQ similar to RTS. Any idea? Anything for similarity criteria? Think all of you. Anybody think? No, nothing. Yes, Shania, say.
R is common.
Yes, R is a common angle. RPQ. R is a common angle. Again, RTS. Angle R equal to angle R. Common angle, correct? Then anything else? Anything else? R is common. Then nothing. One angle is okay. One angle is angle R equal to angle R. Then are you thinking? Anything else is there?
I can explain that question also. So I didn't understand.
Question, you have to prove these two triangles, R, P, Q, and RTS. The whole triangle.
P and angle RTS are equal.
Equal, it is given, no. Angle P in this whole triangle, angle P, and in this small triangle, angle RTS. Angle RTS. Given. Given two triangles are given. They are equal.
Angle R is equal, no? Angle R and their angle.
Angle R equal to angle R, common angle, and given that angle P equal to angle RTS. So two corresponding angles are equal. Two angles are equal. Okay. So we can easily write angle
Similar AA criteria. Similarity.
AA criteria, RTS by AA similarity criteria. Simple question it is. Okay. By AA similarity criteria.
Ma'am, In that in question, they will give that the figure and they will find, they want to find the angle that will come now.
No.
Which
that is-
angle?
those type of questions won't come. Finding angle and figure, very rare. Proving similarity will be